Hello friends, good day to you all wherever you might be right now across the world. I am Lasisi Olukunle, the creator of this channel. I welcome you to this channel. This is Disclosed Talk. Okay, what I have in mind to share with you today is how to make money in affiliate marketing successfully. How to make money in affiliate marketing successfully. When we are talking about marketing is a process whereby you serve as an intermediary between the producer and the consumer, or maybe you are trying to bridge the gap between a manufacturer and the consumer of a particular goods or services. Many of us will see it as a very hard task to complete. But I can tell you that if you should go into affiliate marketing, it is as easy as ABC, and you can earn a lot of money therein if you should apply the right step, if you should apply the right method in getting it done. So you can make a lot of money in affiliate marketing, and you just need the right information, you need the right platform, you need the right tool and the right method to get it done. So this is what I will be analyzing in today's video, and I will be showing you the right platform whereby you can get it done and earn a lot of money in a very short period of time. So, but before I go deep into this video, what I have to tell you is that this video is brought to you courtesy of Disclosed Talk. For that reason, if you are new on this channel, kindly subscribe and click on the notification bell for you to be continually aware or get notified whenever I upload new video. This channel is known for financial education, so you are also advised to do personal findings before you dive into any of the into any of the content that is explained here. Okay, so if you have any question concerning this video or any of the content on this channel, you can contact me through my email address. You can call me on phone, chat me up on WhatsApp, and join our Telegram channel for frequent announcements on financial education. Alright, so once again, what we are considering today is how to make money in affiliate marketing successfully. See the method now. So right now, let me take you to the platform that I will be sharing with you. So this is BGA, that is Black Gold Affiliate. Black Gold Affiliate is a platform which gives you and I an opportunity to take part in affiliate marketing. That is, you will be able to reach out to consumer, you'll be able to reach out to those that are in need of a particular goods or services that it's prepared for you. It is a ready-made services, ready-made goods that have been on this platform. That is what you are just going to dish out to the consumer. So if you are able to dish out to the right consumer, then you are having a particular commission on it. So you are not going around the streets telling people about this platform. You are not going around the streets going through your contacts, going through your phone book to tell people about a particular goods or services, but you can do this right with your mobile phone, and you can even start earning before you join, before you register, before you invest therein. So there are two ways whereby you can make money in Black Gold Affiliate. You can come in as an investor, and you can also come in as a marketer, that is as an affiliate. You can come in as an affiliate whereby you are going to promote the goods and services that are available on this platform, and you get your own commission on it. So but before you go deep, before you do that, there is something that you need to know. There are certain investment packages in Black Gold. So this is one of the ways whereby you can make money. You can come in as an investor, and you can also come in as an affiliate, and you can also come in as in the two ways, as an investor, as also as an affiliate. So you have bronze package, you have silver package, gold package, sapphire. You have sapphire package, emerald, ruby, diamond, and platinum. So in any of these packages, there is a particular remuneration, that is return on investment, that you get on daily basis. So in bronze, you get 1.5% to 2% daily, and this is constant for any of the investment packages that you choose. So you earn 1.5 to 2% depending on your capital. All right, so that one is by the side, and also there are some good and services that you can even promote on this platform, and you get a particular commission on it. So you can earn money in two ways with this platform, and people have been testifying about it. So what you just need to do is to have your own account. Don't worry, in the description box of this video I'm going to drop the link to get your own account registered and to start making money in this platform. So you can come in as an investor, and you can also come in as an affiliate. So whenever you make a deposit, whenever you invest, you are earning 1.5% of your investment, and whenever you make a sales, you are having a commission on whatever products that you are able to sell to a user or to a consumer. So I don't want this video to be very lengthy. You can also go through the platform, you can go through the website to check for more information about the genuinity of the platform. So but this is one of the ways whereby I have been making money online. Okay, so that is how it goes. It's a very reliable platform, and you can get paid in and you can get your account registered. That is, you can invest with any of these coin, USDT TRC20, USDC, and USDT ERC20. So all these, they are in USDT, that is a cryptocurrency. So that makes the system more secured and more transparent, so and more stable. So you just check it out, and if you have any questions concerning this video, you can contact me through my email address, my WhatsApp contact, and you can also call me on phone. You can check the FAQ. These are the FAQ. How do I contact you support? When the BGA start? Can I promote BGA products? Do you accept payments in Bitcoin? Does BGA work on weekends? What is the duration of an investment on BGA? So these are all the FAQ which you can check out if you have any question before you jump in. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. This is where I'm going to stop for today, but don't forget, it is very important that you subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, set it to all notification, like this video and share with your friends and family. Alright, till the next video, have a wonderful day ahead. I love you all, and bye for now.